Here are 4 AC units here, and 3 carrier AC units. Then, it's got some fences here. I know it's blocking. This is a York, and not pretty much what the name is. Sign. Model number is AC018X10218. Serial number WMHP362991 from 1999. So 3 carrier AC units. 3 of them have Bristol reciprocating compressors, or 4 of them have Bristol reciprocating compressors. Bristol reciprocating compressors. 2 blades. I never saw a York with 2 blades. And the carrier. Yep. All of them have 2 blades. You can see the Bristol reciprocating compressor down there. I'm actually recording this on my iPod. This one's from 1999. 99 means it's 1999. High efficiency, and I don't know which one's ours. Here's the data tag. I never saw a carrier like this. This looks like this hasn't been running for a while. Model number is 38TH018300. Serial number is 0489E33030. It's from 1989, when the building was built. And then this one down there that one is a Bristol reciprocating compressor. It's got a big old spider down there. The model number here is 38TH018300. It's from the 4th weekend, or it's from the April of 1989. 3 carrier AC units are from April of 1989. Yeah. Okay, there's a Capri Sun bottle down there. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. And right here, model number 38TH018300. Serial number 0489E33026. So it's from April of 1989. Yep. It wasn't not running. This looks like this hasn't been running for a while. This one's ours. My first York air conditioner that I videoed. This hasn't been running for a while. The constant drain goes way. And this one here is ours, and it does the way upstairs, or the way downstairs. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Well, this has 2 blades. Yeah, pretty. And it's got an A.O. Smith fan. Right over here. And it's got a GE fan. There it is. Yeah, there's the reversing valve. You can sort of see it. And that one's got you see here. Oh yeah. Some bat poo here. Yeah. Okay, this is a long video. Oh well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.